The instinct with agentic AI is thrilling but dangerous. Deploy first, govern later. We hand autonomous systems the keys to our databases, tell them to execute, and promise to figure out the rules tomorrow. But that order is exactly backwards. This is how organizations end up with AI making consequential, irreversible decisions that nobody can fully explain after the fact. Trying to retrofit governance onto a live acting agent is like installing brakes on a car already speeding down the highway. Governance built in after deployment is always weaker, riskier, and more expensive than governance built in from day one. When AI shifts from advising us to acting on our behalf, safety cannot be an afterthought. That is why Speeki embeds governance directly into agentic AI at the design stage. Instead of relying on fragile software patches, Speeki builds compliance into the agent's DNA. By hard-coding guardrails before a single action is taken, organizations construct the exact runway needed to let autonomous systems scale safely.